Today, I am going to talk to you about Medusa, one of the most famous figures in Greek mythology. According to legend, Medusa was one of 3 Gorgon sisters, each with hair made of snakes and a deadly stare. Medusa's gaze could turn people to stone, making her one of the most feared creatures of her time. Despite her fearsome reputation, Medusa has become a popular figure in modern culture, representing themes of power, independence, and self-confidence for women. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Medusa, from her origins in Greek mythology to her enduring legacy in modern times. Origins and mythology. Medusa's story begins in ancient Greece, where she was known as one of the Gorgons, a group of 3 monstrous sisters. According to some versions of the myth, Medusa was once a beautiful woman who caught the eye of the god Poseidon. The two had a romantic encounter in Athena's temple, angering the goddess, who then cursed Medusa to have snakes for hair and a gaze that turned people to stone. Other versions of the myth suggest that Medusa was born a monster, the daughter of Perseus and Ceto, 2 sea deities known for their frightening appearances. In these versions, Medusa and her sisters were said to have lived in a cave in the far-off land of Libya. Regardless of her origins, Medusa became one of the most feared creatures of her time, with many warriors seeking to defeat her in battle. It wasn't until the arrival of the hero Perseus that Medusa met her demise. Armed with a mirrored shield and a sword from Hermes, Perseus was able to slay the monster and claim her head as a trophy. Legacy in modern culture. In modern culture, Medusa has become a popular symbol of feminine power and independence. Her image can be seen in everything from fashion to literature to music, with many artists and writers drawing inspiration from her story. One of the most famous depictions of Medusa is the statue by the Italian artist Cellini, which shows the monster in a dramatic pose with snakes writhing around her head. Other famous depictions include paintings by artists like Caravaggio and Rubens, as well as sculptures and murals from around the world. Medusa has also inspired a number of books, movies, and television shows. In Rick Riordan's popular Percy Jackson series, Medusa is a recurring villain who seeks revenge against the hero Percy. In the 1981 film Clash of the Titans, Medusa is portrayed as a terrifying creature with snakes for hair, while in the 2010 remake, she is depicted as a more sympathetic character. In conclusion, Medusa is one of the most famous figures in Greek mythology, known for her fearsome appearance and deadly stare. Despite her reputation as a monster, Medusa has become a popular symbol of feminine power and independence in modern times. From her origins in ancient Greece to her enduring legacy in art, literature, and pop culture, Medusa continues to captivate our imaginations and inspire us with her story. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to like and follow for more content like this in the future.